In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your current position in LinkedIn. Whether you're looking to update your profile or simply clean up your online presence, this is a straightforward process that we'll walk through together, step by step. Let's get started and ensure that your LinkedIn profile reflects exactly what you want it to. First, you'll want to open your LinkedIn account. Go ahead and log into LinkedIn using your preferred browser, or the LinkedIn mobile app if you're on the go. Once you are on your LinkedIn homepage, take a look at the top of the screen and locate your profile icon. It should be either a small picture of you or the default LinkedIn silhouette. Click on that icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select View Profile to navigate directly to your personal LinkedIn profile page. Now that you are viewing your profile, scroll down until you reach the Experiences section. This section lists your current and past job positions. Look for the position that you want to edit. In this case, we're focusing on the current position that you are aiming to remove. To the right of this position, notice the pencil icon. This is your edit button. Click on it and you'll open a window where you can make changes to your job details. With the editing window open, you'll be faced with various fields like your title, company, and location. Here, you have the choice to either update the information, if your circumstances have changed, or remove the position entirely. If you are choosing to remove the entry, you'll want to focus on the lower part of the screen where you'll see the delete option. Click on this. At this moment, LinkedIn will ask you to confirm that you wish to delete the entry, ensuring you don't accidentally remove an important piece of your professional history. Confirm your choice to delete the position. Once confirmed, this position will be removed from your profile entirely. This is a good time to double-check your profile to ensure all changes are saved and that your profile now reflects your desired professional narrative. Remember, altering your LinkedIn profile regularly is a good career habit, ensuring that your online presence is consistently aligned with your current professional journey. Once you've completed these steps, consider taking a moment to update any other parts of your profile that might need refreshing. It's always great to keep your achievements, skills, and projects up to date. And there you have it, removing your current position from LinkedIn. Made simple. Should you have any additional questions or need further assistance, LinkedIn's help section can be a valuable resource. Thank you for stopping by today. If this video was helpful, feel free to like it and consider subscribing for more insightful content. Until next time, keep your profile polished and professional.